and I take this opportunity to announce IT company, my own business. So I thought where I'm going to announce this. So then I decided to announce here with my team. I must thank the bank. This is a special, probably very special opportunity I got because to set up a company I've been dreaming for a long time. I don't want to take a risk or something. So I was always postponing that. Some of the solutions, some of the things what we do probably owning into the organization or that bank. So we can't take that outside. Therefore, I thought of start my own and must thank MTB because like 3 months other opportunities in the industry where new entrepreneurs, new startups should come. We can't get all this. So therefore, people like me, maybe having a lot of experience, being inside one bank or one organization, we won't be able to achieve that target. So therefore, I thought jump into that environment. Though it's risky, there are so many other risk areas also. But with that, I want to try that. So therefore, I decided to set up my own company, and I would like to announce that here. My company name is Black Technologies, which is basically developing software and solutioning. And I want everybody's blessing to continue it. Planning to do this is I want to do innovate architecting and delivering IT solutions for any business for them to be success in the competitive and emerging market. That is my mission. And preferred partner, technology service provider of any organization and support them for continuing their business. So there are our objectives. And with my experience, I'm focusing on few areas like software development, consultancy, project management, and data warehousing. If you don't have that, service is not there. So then, in addition to that, middleware solution, supply chain management, loan systems, and all this banking and even side. So these are the things we are planning to do. Certain things, few things I just want to share. And mainly, I'm going to set up online digital site where you can do trading, online trading. This is a site will be launched, not yet launched, still be under construction. So that is where the opportunity is given for medium and small, medium entrepreneurs or producers to sell their products and services through this site. So this is one area I want to focus from tomorrow onwards. So thank you very much. This is for my launching of my company. I'm proud that I have done this in front of my own staff, and I again emphasize and thanking Nation Trust Bank to me to support this and probably giving all the support to continue with this. And I will be coming again on in front of you probably as a vendor.